Hey, it's around here. I wanted to record a tutorial to show you how to DIY your logo creation. Now, the software I'm about to show you is not a software that I personally have used specifically for my own logo. I simply wanted to follow the process in this software to be able to show you how to DIY your logo and get your brand colors. Now, you can of course hire a graphic designer on Upwork or more expensive marketplaces, or go to things like 99 Designs, which have a whole different tutorials for you to check out on these options. The option I'm showing you right now is the DIY option, which is a really cheap option to do it. It's going to cost you between $5 and $10 to actually get this set up, and I'm going to walk you step by step how to do exactly that. Now, the software that I'm using is called TailorBrands. You're welcome to check it out. There's going to be a link in the description for you to use this. I'm an affiliate. I get like a tiny little commission. It is a subscription. However, I recommend you simply create the logo, DIY it, download the file after you sign up for the first month, and then simply cancel. There's really no need to keep the software besides getting the logo, and that's why I'm saying it's $5 to $10, and that's it. There is also a Chrome extension called Honey. You want to download that before creating this, so when you go to the purchase section of the subscription, you can ask for a coupon code from the Chrome extension called Honey, and that will give you the discount for it to be cheaper, potentially. That's how what I did. That's how I got the logo for $5. So again, you can check all that out as well, separate to this video. I have another tutorial about Chrome extensions, and Honey is one of them. So you'll see that link somewhere around this video. With that said, I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen, show you how to DIY your logo. And if you are part of the landing page challenge, or you're working with me in a capacity such as the landing page challenge, or in another capacity working with me and my team, then definitely make sure you send me all the information on the logo files and the logo, the file with the brand content, such as the color hex codes and stuff like that. There is also options to create a logo for free using something like Canva, of course. And this is going to be something that I'll do in a different tutorial. If you're interested in that tutorial, leave a comment below, and I'll be sure to either record one rapidly so you can see it, or tag you on that particular tutorial as well, or just link it. So that's about it. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen for the TailorBrands tutorial on how to DIY your logo and get your hex code.
So you're going to go to Logo Maker. You're going to type the logo name. So for example, around funnels, building websites together. Let's just say, create a logo. What are you offering or intend to offer? So I'm going to say, in this case, services. Enter your industry. I'm going to say website design. I'll say funnel design. I'm a freelance funnel builder who helps people launch their website so they can start selling their courses, memberships, and digital products online. Okay. Icon based generic shape. Select up to 5 icons. Let's just go with this. What font do I like? I like the bolder. Oh, how many fonts? Choose 3 styles. I like the trendy, and I like the rounded. Next, designing my logo, creating my business card, planning social media posts. Okay, now I need to create an account. I'm going to use LastPass, generate a password. And now you'll see there's a bunch of logo examples. That's nice. A bunch of examples here. Can't say I'm in love with them, but you know, it's kind of cool. Click on see more. Let's just say I'm going to go with this one, just for the sake of demonstration. Nice. Branded website. Let's click on customize it. Change the tagline specifically. This one. The name. Okay, so this is you customizing the name basically. Yep. Now let's change the text. Building websites together. Styles, icon size, color. So now we got the different palettes as well. You can change. Click on it and give it a second to load. That's cool. The layout. Okay. The position. How about this one? This looks cooler. Maybe the icon. Let's change it a bit. So a lot of funnel things. Let's do flywheel. Search for the word funnel again. Let's pick this one. Look at that. That looks cool. Okay, my icons. Abstract. Okay, shapes. Type. Let's go for a thin version. Cool. Classy. No. Rounded. No, I don't like it at all. Trendy. It's nice. Taller. No. Bolder. Yeah, I prefer that. Okay, fonts. Tagline. So the tagline, we'll leave it at that. The name, we're gonna go for this one. Or this one. Or this one. This one. Let's go for this one. Okay. Text, that's fine. Shapes. Icons. Make the icon a bit bigger. See, it's made it a bit bigger. Okay. Color. It's a nicer color. No. Okay, we're happy with that. We're happy with that. You can see how you can just play with it, really. It feels funny having these colors because it's not actually my colors. But anyway, just for the sake of demonstration. Okay, let's go with this one. Alright, play with it enough. Let's click on finish. I'm finished. Download your files. Upgrade. What's the upgrade? Let's have a look. So, full ownership of your logo. Okay, so you can sign up for either one of them. I mean, I would just go with this one. I wouldn't worry about anything else. You can pay $10 and basically get this made. Full ownership, social media, transparent, colored. have the honeycomb extension, so you can get a discount. Saved $5. Continue to checkout. Proceed. It will try to upsell me, switch to an annual plan. I'm going to cancel. I've made a payment now, so let's just see. Your logo is only the beginning. Let's go. So now I can download. Once you download this logo, you won't be able to change its font. Now it's downloaded here. I'm going to click to open it. Here are the logos. Look at that. This is great. Excellent. Okay, so we've got the logo done. If you need to incorporate, you can obviously set up an LLC. I don't know much about it, so you can explore that option separately if you're in the US. Now on the upgrade button, this is my current plan. So I'm going to just cancel my subscription because I was just doing it for demo purposes. But I got a nice little logo out of it. Obviously I'm not going to use it because I already have one. Now if I deactivate, I won't be able to edit my logo. I will lose access to the website, which I didn't create anyway, and I won't be able to create social posts for Instagram. So I'm going to delete my account. Choose reason. I just wanted a logo. Okay, hibernation the account so you can keep the assets. Okay, so now it's cancelled. It's good. It's fine. But the good news is we've got a logo made. I've downloaded it. And so on. So you don't have to worry about anything else. Just make your logo. And, you know, then you can be done. You don't have to buy anything or do anything else. I just suggest the logo, basically. And of course, make sure you download the file. You can share it. Let's have a look what this looks like on incognito. Check out my new logo. Nice. Click on Get Your Files. Okay, so this is the brand book, which is great. What font, what is the hex codes, you get all here. This is great. Now, I'm not seeing a way to download this, unfortunately. So what you want to do, you want to click on GoFullPage. And then this Chrome extension saved your entire thing, basically. Now, in terms of, I'm on the paid plan of GoFullPage, so I can do something a little bit more. For example, I can trim it, right? So that's something that you can do, so you can crop the image. So you could see like this. I can actually make it smaller like this. If you're not on a paid plan, you can't do that, so it doesn't really matter. But you can see, here's the brand book, and all the information is like this, which is great for me. But you could do the GoFullPage as you have it. Then you would download it as a PDF, and then you would send it to me, or send it to my team, or send it to your graphic designer or to your website designer, and you would use, this would be the hex codes, basically. Okay, let's go back. Click on back. Click on Get Your Files again. You can see that you've got different sizes you can download as well. So if you want it for your email, so download the email signature. For your Instagram profile, for your Facebook picture, if you've got a business page, for your Twitter profile picture, Twitter Pinterest, to your Pinterest picture, for your channel cover picture. Excellent, excellent. Let's have a look at that for a second. So you just gotta download it basically. Here it is. It's good. Make sure you download this vector. Okay, this is on the higher plans if you want that. Content planner. Okay, so it gives you some ideas on when you can post. It's nice for October. I guess for every month it will kind of send you something. That's great. Presentations. 14-page customizable. I wouldn't worry about that. You're just gonna do it on Canva anyway. But you get the idea. Basically, I got a logo for $5, right? Because I had used honeycomb extension as well. Okay. You can explore the LLC if you need. Don't worry about the website. You know, you'd have your own platform for this stuff. So I just wouldn't worry about any of this. There's cheaper, easier, better options. Yeah, there's various reasons why I just want to use this. But you get your logo done. Awesome, awesome.